just spewing out.
Out the top or out the side?
I couldn't find it on the front. I think it was like on the back side. Might have been like right here. I don't know. I don't know how the fuck it happened on the back side.
Oh shit.
I don't see nothing.
Yeah, I don't see nothing, bro.
I was trying to fill it.
Yeah, I don't see nothing. All right.
Yeah.
So she didn't have the little tire on it now?
No. I think we took it out. I hit a deer, so that's why she's in the rental right now.
Yeah, what's going on, bro?
Need a boost.
Need a boost? Where you at? In the Charger? Where you at? All right. Put a little air in it. Look like this a little low.
Put a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit in there.
All right, appreciate it.
Give me 1 second, bro. I'm gonna be over there, all right? All right. Man, he had 16 pounds in there, man.
16. What's it normally run at?
60.
Oh, 60?
Yeah, anytime you got a donut,
Yeah.
60 PSI.
Okay.
If you read the side of the tire, it always tell you. Max. Yeah, donuts always go to 60 PSI to it. It's on there. You just gotta look for it, but it's on there.
Yeah, I got it. That's good to know. I'm glad you're doing that.
Yeah, anytime you see that little skinny man, I don't know why you gotta put so much air in that little sucker, but yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. I think it's like 100 for the pump, and I paid 100 for the battery, something like that.
Yeah.
You can use the little regular DeWalt batteries on it, but you only get like 2 or 3 cycles out of it. So
Yeah, if you get the big ones,
yeah.
back and all that, that's what we gotta work.
Yeah.